Hello, another packing list. Now as we're coming to the end of our Antarctic voyage with MS Roald Amundsen, I would like to show you some things that have been very important or which I'm very happy about I brought or bought. So first of all, if you go kayaking, for example, you could possibly do underwater footage of penguins. So this is very helpful. It wasn't very helpful for me on land when it was snowing because I do a lot of videos and the sound was just awkward. You can't use the original sound. But anyway, for your smartphone, don't just bring a case like this, which is what I use when I'm on land and at home, but rather bring something like this. Put your mobile phone on the string and around you so it doesn't fall easily off the ship into the water. If you're out on land an entire day, and I'm only using smartphones for taking videos, and I take a lot of videos, and for photos, I have a very big power bar with me, which I needed once when we were out for 7 hours. I have two of these. I could use just the USB, but this is a supercharger, and I have two. One is next to the bed, and the other one is next to the entrance. And of course, if you're two people, one should have one each, but I even use the two wherever I sit. If I'm just in the cabin for an hour, I use this one, and overnight I use the one next to the bed. Then I really love my socks, my sheep wool socks. The inlays for the muck boots we get to wear, they make a better grip in the shoes, and also I like them because other people wear the boots too. The small IKEA bag, I know it's not available anymore, at least not in Germany, but you can buy it on eBay. I love those. I always carry 2 to 3. Sometimes I use them in the hotel rooms, and here on board I used, this time I didn't use them because I didn't take my computer around, but usually I carry items like computers. Oof.